About the motherfucking Porsche, I don't want it if that ass don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on these niggas, got me feeling like sports. Dash got so much wood.
This your boy, I'm _HLX2, aka that drive-through guy, cause I hate drive-throughs, and I hope you do too, cause them things is trash. So anyway, we're in this like deathmatch thingy. So yeah, GTA 5 online, PlayStation 4. Oh gosh. Oh dang, I didn't know it was coming. That was quick. Oh, you know what? Since it's close combat, I need to get this out. You already know. You already know. So I'm finna go over here. I'm not finna go the same way. I can't even get over this thing. Okay, I'm gonna just go around. Alright, so I don't want that. I want this in my hand. Don't want that. I want this in my hand. Okay. Alright, so that's the only way we can go. This is a pretty small map. Alright, that's crap. That's just crap. Pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. Not like that though. So as you already know, I can't do like that type of long combat. Like if he was over there, like I can't do this type of combat. I'm very bad at that. I'm getting my close combat gun. I would bomb, but I already know they gonna get mad at that. Alright. Oh my, I shouldn't have moved. Well, either way it went, he would have killed me because that was long. Now I know where he was. Alright, I'm gonna just follow Kenny up here. Cause I'm liking this spot though. I really like this vantage point. Alright, he killed him. I want to know where was he. Oh, he was over here. That's why. I just gotta figure out where are they? I want to know where they're spawning so I can spawn trap them. But apparently they're over here. Like I go to the opposite side. That's nice. Alright, I gotta go up here. Oh, I almost fell down there. I can't even get on. Okay, there you go. I gotta focus it like halfway and then go down. Oh crap. Okay, I need to go back down here because they're not playing around anymore. I'm finna start trapping these people. No, no, no. Not in my house. Alright, I'm finna turn the corner where he finna kill me. So I may want to get my gun ready. Alright, he killed him. Alright, you're over here. He died. Gonna do ground combat now. Die. I see you over there, boy. I shot him through a wall. Oh, Rockstar cheese, and I ain't even gonna lie. Ow, ow, that hurt. That really, really hurt. Alright guys, 3 minutes have passed. Or almost 3 minutes has passed, and it's 31-17. We're really putting it on them. They don't even know what to do with us, man. So Francisco, I think, is still hiding right here, or no? Yeah, he is. And I killed him. So I'm a power player for the second time this game. I'm trying to get that kill streak before we get before this thing ends. So we're gonna go on the upper level because someone's shooting me from behind and I can see the bullets. Oh, he shot me with like 2 shots. The bullets didn't even get there before that. Like, that's what that Arron's that glitch. Arron has been getting that for the past two death matches we did today. He's been getting that little glitch. Oh, Kenny. Alright, so of course they're going to spawn over here. But I gotta turn around. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way. I'm sorry if the mic is like this. I'm using the PlayStation mic, not the one that they give you, but like a certain one that's Bluetooth, and it's very, very deep. Make your voice sound really, really like weird. Like, so if the audio's messed up, just comment down below after this video. When the video ends, make sure you like it though also, and subscribe if you're new. And no, the video's not over. It's just I'm saying that just because you should do it. You'll get it. You'll see a freaking. You'll have a tiger outside, a tame tiger that won't bite outside. If you subscribe, and then if you subscribe, there won't be no more drive-thrus ever. Cause I know I'm not the only one that hate drive-thrus. Like, come on, big old lines, and then when you get there, people take forever, and then when you get to the drive-thru, the person that's asking you for the order, when you get up there, they'll like stare at you. Like, instead of looking at the driver, they look at the passenger. It's just like creepy stare down. I'm sorry, I hate drive-thrus. It's just me. And yeah, I can't find these people. Where did they go, man? I'm telling you, I don't know where. I can't find them. Oh, okay. He finna die. I wouldn't do that if I was him. He would follow exactly where he was. Alright. Oh, I thought I died. Because I know that would have been bad. Alright, let's go. We got that kill streak. Double RP for killing me. I gotta get down now because I'm on the map. I already know I'm gonna be having boys seeking me. No homo. Alright. Come on, we gotta go this way. Where are they? I think they're right here. Yep. We cannot lose this kill streak before it's over. We gotta hold the streak. Alright, Francisco's up here with me. Keep firing, I don't like that. Alright, I'm getting down. They're finna spawn right over here. I don't like that. Ah crap, ah crap, ah crap, ah crap. I gotta get over here and get behind them in order for this to work. See, they're right there. They appeared. Get down, get down. Ooh, that was been a close one. Oh crap! Oh crap! No! Oh, that's fake. That is trash, bro. They would do that too. Alright, we lost that streak. Ah man, that's bad. They're losing that bad to where we got a mercy rule. To where then if they're losing that bad, then you gotta give them. You gotta let them use rockets. We don't let people use rockets normally. They're just waiting for me, you know? Just waiting. Oh, I didn't even know I had that. He shot me in the arm. It's all good. Cause we still taking the dub. Dub. Hey. Alright. That was just, you know. Oh my goodness. He was font. There's like the font that they got. Cause I know this is not how it look right now. That's just the font. Yeah, they got a font on here. I don't even know what type of. I don't even got a kill streak. That's the thing. Alright, oh my goodness, he's killing everybody. Alright, there you go. The thing went away. Alright, thank you for killing him, because I did not like looking at that kid. Alrighty, so this is all or nothing. All or nothing. We're going in for the kill. Ah, he ran away. Ah, Francisco, you're lucky. I was gonna kill you. Alright, guys, I hope y'all liked the video, man. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. I remember, hate all the drive-thrus that you see. Just hate them all. Just hate drive-thrus, you know? Alright, guys. Goodbye.